Hello guys, this is Kush Agarwal and you are watching E-learninguruji, and this is the second part of motion and time. In this part we will be learning speed, velocity and acceleration. So let's have a quick recap on what we learned in the first part. Let's recap. First, we learned what is motion. Second, rest. Third, types of motion in which there is random motion, translational motion, rotational motion, periodic motion and oscillatory motion. Now let's start our new topics. First, it is uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. Imagine there's a car moving, and we click some photos at a time period of 1 second, and we noticed that it covered first 5 meter and then also 5 meter at an interval of 1 second. So, if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time in a particular direction, then its motion is called uniform motion. Imagine we again see a car and click photos at 1 second period only, but this time it was not like that. It was first moving with 3 meter and then 6 meter it covered. So, if a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then its motion is called non-uniform motion. Distance and displacement. Distance. What is distance? The length of path actually covered by an object is called distance. Like I have to go from my house to school, so the actual path covered by me would be my distance. Displacement. The shortest distance between initial position and the final position is called displacement. So, if I want to go from my house to my school, the shortest path from my house to my school would be the displacement. Speed. Speed. The distance traveled by a body per unit time is called speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. First, speed is a scalar quantity. Second, SI unit of speed is meter per second. And the third is other units of speed are kilometer per hour, meter per minute, kilometer per minute, etc. And this is a conversion. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 upon 18 meter per second. Types of speed. There are basically two types of speed. First, it is a uniform speed, and second, it is a non-uniform speed. Uniform speed. An object is said to be moving with uniform speed if it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform speed. An object is said to be moving in non-uniform speed if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Velocity. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement upon time taken. Velocity is a vector quantity. SI unit of velocity is meter per second, same as speed. Types of velocity. There are two types of velocity. First, uniform velocity, and second, non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. If a body travels on a straight line with constant speed, then its velocity is called uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity. Velocity of a body is said to be variable if speed of a body changes, direction of motion changes, or both speed and direction changes. Acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time interval. We denote initial velocity in physics by u and final velocity in physics by v. So acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. So a is equals to v minus u upon t. There are two types of acceleration. First, it is a speeding up. If velocity of body and acceleration are in same direction, the velocity of body increases. This motion is called accelerated motion. Slowing down. If a body is slowing down, it is said to be in retarded motion. So by this we end up the motion, and in the next video I will be explaining you what is time, and the next video will complete our motion and time chapter.
Guys, you are most invited to attempt an online test on my blog related to this video on elearninguruji.blogspot.in. So stay tuned.